Hi everyone, I'm Alyssa Argana and I am a first year student currently studying accountancy. And like many of you, I've had to use Excel a lot for projects, assignments, and even performance tasks. So in this video, I'll show you 4 Excel functions that I found super helpful as a student. The round, sum, SUMIFT, average functions. So I'll be using this file to demo each function. So let's start with the round function. So sometimes we work with numbers that have too many decimal places, especially when dealing with interest, tax rates, or even calculated cost. So to make it thinner, we use the round function. So in this case, we have the grades of the average grades of these students from these courses. So we will round off their average grade. So just type round, then open parenthesis, select the cell, then type 1, and there you have it. You round it off. Do it on the other row. So round, select the cell, 1. We also have the round up and round down. So let's try the round down. Select this cell, 1. So you round it down. Another one is round up. And there you have it. That's for the round function. Next is the sum function. So the sum function is probably the first one you'll learn and you'll use it a lot. So it simply adds up a range of values. So I use this when calculating total sales, total cost, and even total grades in other classes. So let's start here. If you want to know the sum of all this number of students enrolled in first year, use this. So type sum and select this cell up to the last cell. And there you are. Another one for the second year, type sum, then select this up to the last cell. Enter. Do it on the other side. So select this up to 55. There you have these total number of students enrolled in first year, second year, third year, fourth year, regardless of their college program. Now let's go on to the SUMIF function. So let's say you need to know the total students just from one category. So for example, nursing. This is where SUMIF comes in. So let's type the college program you want to know. Nursing, and let's try criminology. So we just type SUMIF, open parenthesis, then select this programs, accountancy up to journalism. Select the course that you want to know the total amount of students. So nursing. Then select this range and close parenthesis, enter. So we know now that There are 40 students in the nursing program in the first year. For the criminology, same thing that you will do. Sum if, select accountancy to journalism, then select criminology, then select this. Enter. So there are 50 students in the criminology program in the first year. And if you want to know the second year, same thing that we will do. So sum if, then select this programs, select nursing, then select this. And there you go. So the next thing that we will do is the average function. So this one is I personally use a lot to track my performance in class. So let's say I have a quiz or exam scores that I listed here, and I want to calculate my overall grade. So this is the formula that I use. So this gives me the average of all those grades. So if I've got 5 scores, let's say 82, 91, 77, 85, and 88, Excel will add them all up and divide by 3. So this is very helpful during midterms or finals to check how you're doing overall or what scores you need to hit a target grade. So from here, we'll try cosine, then average, then select this, enter. That's the average grade for the first sem. Then, if you want to round it, just select this one. So that's it for the second sem. Use the same thing that we did. Average. Then select this. Close parenthesis and enter. And if you want to round it, round function, select this one, close parenthesis, enter. So that's it. Those are 4 Excel functions I've used again and again as an accountancy student. Hopefully this helps you in your own projects, case studies, or even your internships. Thank you.